Hey, it's the Classy Cheapskate, and today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite DIY graduation money lay using dollar bills and school colors. In my opinion, this is the best version of a money lay because the double string design keeps the bills and paper from shifting around like many other styles do, so it stays neat, balanced, and beautiful from every angle. For supplies, you'll need colored paper, clear tape, dollar bills, and string or ribbon. For this lay, I'm using 24 dollar bills and 24 pieces of colored paper, cut to the same size as the bills, which is 6 inches by 2.5 inches each. I'm using 8 maroon, 8 yellow, and 8 black to match the school colors, but you can customize yours however you'd like. To begin, fold your paper in half, then in half again, and then once more. Also, fold it lengthwise. Next, fold the paper accordion style back and forth until you have a neat rectangle shape. Fold it in half in both directions, and if you'd like sharper creases, you can use a credit card or paper folding tool. And here's a handy little tip: if your dollar bills are wrinkled, flatten them with a hair straightener. I came up with this trick over a decade ago, and I have really found it to be useful. Now, tape one side shut, then the other. I've used many types of tape over the years, including Scotch tape and even packing tape. I just cut tiny slivers since large pieces really aren't necessary. In my experience, the tape peels off dollar bills easily without causing damage if the graduate decides to spend the money. Repeat this process of folding and taping until you finish all pieces of paper and pieces of currency. To speed things up, I like using an X-Acto cutting block with grid grooves along with an embossing stylus to quickly press fold lines into the paper. I'm using thicker paper here, but thinner paper will definitely fold easier by hand. Next, take your 7-foot string and fold it in half. The color doesn't matter much as it is hidden. I didn't even use a whole skein of embroidery floss, so it doesn't take much. Next, using a butter knife, letter opener, or another flat object, slide the string through the side openings of each paper medallion. One string through one side and the second string through the other side. Holding your finger over the string ends can help guide them through more easily. Repeat creating any pattern you'd like. I'm repeating money, black paper, money, maroon paper, money, and gold paper all the way through the lay. Once you reach the end, slide everything together tightly and tie off the ends. The finished lay forms a beautiful circular shape that looks great from the front, sides, and back. If you want a longer lay, simply cut a longer piece of string and add more bills and paper. Thank you so much to everyone who has watched my money lay tutorials over the past decade. You could definitely say I'm the OG money lay lady. And of course, congratulations to all the graduates. Thanks for watching the Classy Cheapskate.